In the vast universe of collectibles, a new star has emerged, the Trump coin. These coins, often gold or silver-plated, have captured the attention of collectors worldwide. These shiny medallions bearing the likeness of the 45th president have taken the collecting world by storm. Enthusiasts are drawn to their intricate designs and the historical significance they represent. But are they destined for long-term cosmic significance? Or are they fated to burn out like a dying star? The question lingers in the minds of both seasoned collectors and newcomers alike. Let's embark on a journey to explore the phenomenon of Trump coins, examining their origins, their appeal, and their potential as investments. From their inception to their current status in the market, we will delve deep into what makes these coins so captivating. Like celestial bodies, the value of collectibles can fluctuate wildly. Market trends, historical events, and public interest all play a role in determining their worth. Some, like meteorites from ancient cosmic events, become prized possessions. These items hold their value and even appreciate over time, becoming treasures passed down through generations. Others, like shooting stars, flare brightly for a brief moment before fading into obscurity. Their initial allure may wane, leaving collectors to wonder if their investments were wise. Will Trump coins stand the test of time, or will their value disappear into a black hole? Only time will tell if these coins will become cherished heirlooms or fleeting novelties in the vast cosmos of collectibles. Trump coins are not your typical currency. They are not minted by the government and hold no official monetary value. Instead, they are privately produced medallions, often made from metals like gold, silver, or copper. Some feature intricate designs, while others are more simplistic. The coins often depict Donald Trump's portrait, sometimes accompanied by slogans or imagery associated with his presidency. Some commemorate specific events, such as his inauguration or rallies. Others are purely decorative, celebrating his image and message. The appeal of Trump coins is as multifaceted as the man himself. For some, they are souvenirs, tangible reminders of a presidency that has deeply resonated with them. These coins become conversation starters, sparking discussions about politics, history, and American culture. For others, Trump coins represent an investment opportunity. The limited edition nature of some coins, coupled with the potential for their value to appreciate over time, makes them an attractive prospect for collectors and investors alike. But are Trump coins truly a sound investment? Like predicting the trajectory of a comet, determining the future value of collectibles is an inexact science. The value of political memorabilia, including coins, can be influenced by a myriad of factors, including historical significance, rarity, condition, and market demand. While some historical political memorabilia has skyrocketed in value, others have failed to gain traction. The key is to approach the market with caution, conducting thorough research and understanding the risks involved. Section 5. Navigating the Trump coin market, a buyer's guide. For those interested in acquiring Trump coins, numerous online marketplaces and auction sites offer a vast selection. However, it's crucial to proceed with caution. The market is rife with counterfeit coins, and prices can vary dramatically. Reputable dealers and sellers should provide detailed information about the coin's authenticity, materials, and condition. Obtain a certificate of authenticity whenever possible, and be wary of deals that seem too good to be true. Section 6. Beyond the glitter, the cultural significance of Trump coins. Beyond their monetary value, Trump coins hold cultural significance. These coins are more than just pieces of metal. They are symbols that encapsulate a unique period in American history. They serve as artifacts of a particular moment in American history, reflecting the political climate and cultural divisions of the Trump era. The imagery and inscriptions on these coins often evoke strong emotions, whether of support or opposition, making them powerful tools for understanding the era's social dynamics. These coins will likely be studied by future generations, providing insights into the beliefs, values, and anxieties of the time. Historians and sociologists will find them invaluable for understanding the complexities of early 21st century America. Like campaign buttons, posters, and other political ephemera, Trump coins offer a tangible connection to the past, allowing us to touch and feel a piece of history. They are not just collectibles, but educational tools that can help us understand the forces that have shaped our present. By examining these coins, we can gain a deeper understanding of the political and cultural landscape of the Trump era. They serve as a reminder of how history is not just written in books, but also minted in metal, capturing the essence of a time that will be studied for generations to come. Section 7. Trump coins in the grand scheme of political collectibles. Political collectibles have always held a special place in the hearts of enthusiasts and historians. They serve as tangible pieces of history, capturing moments and figures that have shaped our world. Trump coins have entered a crowded field of political collectibles, joining the ranks of campaign buttons which have been popular since the 19th century, inaugural medals, which commemorate the swearing-in of presidents, and autographed memorabilia, which offer a personal connection to political figures. The market for such items has long been robust, fueled by collectors and history enthusiasts alike. These individuals are often driven by a passion for preserving history and a desire to own a piece of the political narrative. The value of these collectibles can fluctuate based on the popularity of the political figure, the historical significance of the event commemorated, and the rarity of the item. For instance, items from highly influential figures or pivotal moments in history tend to command higher prices. The significance of the event commemorated, and the rarity of the item. Collectors often seek out rare pieces that are hard to find, adding to the thrill of the hunt. Some political collectibles become highly sought-after treasures, cherished for their historical value and uniqueness, while others fade into relative obscurity, forgotten in the annals of history. The journey of each collectible is unique, reflecting the ever-changing landscape of political sentiment and historical interest. Section 8. The final verdict. Are Trump coins a wise investment? So are Trump coins a celestial investment or a fleeting fad? Like many things in the cosmos, the answer is complex. Their value is subject to the gravitational pull of market forces, collector demand, and the passage of time. Ultimately, the decision to invest in Trump coins rests with the individual collector. Thorough research, a discerning eye for authenticity, and a realistic understanding of the risks and potential rewards are essential for navigating this celestial marketplace.